star operator or indirect operator. Multiplication is different, guys. When it is multiplication, 2 into 3, it's the multiplication, guys. If you write this, if I write like this is a pointer. Are you following? This is pointer, this is a multiplication. Are you following, guys? This is a multiplication, this is a pointer. If only one is there, that is pointer. Yeah, next one, guys. It returns the value from the address. Returns the value from the address. For example, x value is how much? X is stored, right? For example, can I write star 65,534? 534. What is this value, guys? What is the value stored? X value 10 I have given, right? That value it gives 10 it gives. It returns the value from the address. Now, for example, star 65,532. Now, what is the value it gives, guys? That is 20. Okay, it returns the value from the address. Now, next one, guys. Right. How to print the addresses? How to print the addresses? Next point, guys. Write the next point. How to print the addresses? ROM is, I told you, right? Permanent memory. That is CD, like CD, CDs, DVDs. They are called ROMs. Read-only memory. We cannot write, modify CD data. Complete. How to print the address, guys? Next point, right? We should not use percentile. Right, guys? How to print the addresses? Listen carefully, guys. Okay, if you attend this class, then only pointers you can understand. Okay, we should not use percentile to print the address. Okay, we should not use percentile to print the address, because what is the reason? I will tell you. See this. Yeah, percentile range is how much? Okay, first reason is percentile range. What is the percentile range, guys? Yeah, very good, Pawan. Percentile range is minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. Good. Yeah, tell me, guys, Pawan, address range. You asked, right? Tell me address range. What is address range? Stack only, right? Address range is what? Where that address will be stored, that data will be stored in this address locations only. What is address range? From 0 to 65,535. That is address range. Okay, you asked, right? Yeah, then answer is what? 0 to 65,535. This is the address range. Can I use percentile to print the address? We cannot print. This is the first reason. Percentile range is different and address range is different. We should not use percentile to print the address. Second is what? Percentile may print negative numbers also. Percentile may print negative numbers. Okay, it print negative numbers also, guys. Okay, what is the negative number? Percentile means it gives the negative numbers also, but address is always positive, right? But address is always positive. Because of these two reasons, always positive. Okay, we should not use percentile, guys. One is because address range is different, percentile range is different. Okay, second one is, guys, you understood, right? Percentile range is different, address range is different. Clear, guys? Percentile range is different, address range is different. Because of these two reasons, we can't use percentile. Okay, now then how to print the address? We print the address, we can print the address, right? We can print the address, different formats. We can print the address different formats. What are those formats, guys? For example, decimal format, decimal and hexadecimal format. Yeah, guys. Decimal format means what, and hexadecimal format means what? Decimal format means percentile U and percentile LU. Okay, percentile U and percentile LU. Hexadecimal format means percentile P, percentile LP, and percentile X. Yeah, decimal and hexadecimal. You can print the address in different formats. Completed? Yeah, guys, we write a program now. See, guys, listen carefully. First completed. Complete this. How to print the address. Yes, hi Kiran, I will tell you. Wait a minute. First of all, how to use them, I will tell you. Yeah, tell me, Sai Kiran, what is the use of visiting card? I'm asking you a question. What is the use of visiting card? Without visiting card, with visiting card. I want to meet a person. Yeah, tell me which one is easy. Which one is easy and which one it won't take. Both are possible, right? Without address also we can meet a person. With address also we can meet a person. For example, I want to meet a person in the Karnool. Okay, in Karnool, I want to meet one person. For example, some Subbarao, right? I want to meet Subbarao at Karnool. Okay, I don't have address. Now, what is my task? Tell me. I want to, if you want to meet Subbarao, for example, 1,000 houses are there in the Karnool. What should I do? Each house I have to knock the door. Are you following? Each house I have to knock the door. Whether Subbarao is there or not, I have to find out in the each house. Are you following what I'm saying? 1000 హౌస్లు ఉంటే రైట్ అన్ని హౌస్లు చెక్ చేయాలి సుబ్బారావు ఉన్నారా లేదా అనేది రైట్ ఆర్ యూ ఫాలోయింగ్ దిస్ మై క్వశ్చన్ రైట్ for example, if I give address CCAM some house number something, okay, now tell me which one is easy. Okay, if I give address directly, I will go to that CCAM and I will meet that person. Okay, that is the use of pointers. Okay, if you have address, you understood, right, Sai Kiran? Okay, if I have address directly, that we can go to that place and we can access that person, I can meet that person. Okay, it reduces the time. It reduces the time. That is the use of pointers. Okay, why do you store address? Because to accessing is easy. For example, okay, see this. For example, if x value stored in this location, what happens, guys? Our compiler, it checks first these 2 bytes, it checks. Next this 2 bytes it checks. Next this 2 bytes it checks. Next if here value is there. For example, value is this. How many checkings it performs? Number of, right, almost 30,000 comparison. For example, if you have address here, direct it won't do like this. It will go that location, it access that address. That is the use of pointers. Clear? Okay, now you understood what is the use of pointers. Pointer reduces the time complexity, okay, and fast accessing purpose. Okay, see guys. Now see guys, now I'll take two values, int x equals to 10, first value stored in 10 and y equals to 20. X is 10 and y is 20 guys. Okay. Now I want to store that address. You can access, why do we, why are you introducing a pointer guys? Fast accessing. Okay. Fast accessing. For example, can I use x value and y value? Yes, we can use, but it takes time. ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు టైం ఇక్కడ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అంటే ఈ కేసులో our computer performs 10 power 6 operations for 1 second. ఇక్కడ పెద్ద తేడా ఏం రాదు. If you are doing a large kind of applications, then it's the time is important guys. For example, if I have taken a right large inputs, in that cases this is important guys. Time cases, time complexity, how much time it is taking is important. Time is important. For example, you are using WhatsApp, man. For example, if you send your video now, if tomorrow it is distributed to the destination, do you use a WhatsApp? You want to use, right? Because of fast accessing and fast sending is required. Fast accessing is important, right? That's why we use pointers guys. Okay, how to work with the pointers, that concept you are learning now, right? See this. Now I'll take int star p and star q. P is what? P is a pointer, q also pointer. ఇక్కడ మీకు తేడా ఎందుకు రాదంటే ఇక్కడ 10 power 6 operations it will perform computer లో. నీకు ఒక 5 minutes అయితే నీకు అర్థమవుతుంది డిఫరెన్స్. బట్ ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే 10 power 6 ఆపరేషన్ చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి నీకు ఇంకా తేడా ఉండదు. లార్జ్ ఇన్పుట్స్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు తేడా వస్తుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ ఎట్ దట్ టైమ్. ఓకే, what happens, the time complexity concept comes, then I will explain about that. See this, into star p star q. Now what is p value guys? P is address of x. P is address of x. Okay, q equals to what? Address of y. P is address of x and q is address of y. Now x is 10, y is 20. For example, some x value somewhere it will be stored, right? We don't know where it stores guys. For example, I am printing a decimal format and hexadecimal. Decimal format is this guys. What is decimal? Yeah, in the first session I discussed guys. 10, how 10 will be printed guys? Hexadecimal format means it will be like this, 0xa, you know, right? The first I told number system also. 15, for example, 15 normal format, 15 will be like this. 15 will be like this. For example, 65, can I write 65? Yes, we can write 65 like this. For example, if you in this format, how to write 0x41 by 16, right? By 16 we do the like this. For example, this value I want to print 65,535, then what it prints guys? 0x This is hexadecimal format. That is the difference. Okay, decimal and hexadecimal format guys. Are you following? Decimal 10, the hexadecimal 10 we write like this, 15 we write like this, 65 we write like this. By 16 if you do, we get like this, quotient and remainder. 35 also. Okay, 32-bit. Okay, this is 32-bit operating system, 16-bit compiler. Okay, see this guy, address in decimal format. Address in decimal format. Df means what? Decimal format guys. Okay, this is my text, right? Okay, I'm writing this is my text guys. Okay, it's not syntax. Percentile u I want to print. First percentile u I want to print guys. P, what is the p guys? P is what? Address of x. P is address of x. For example, I will show you address of x guys. Tell me, this is address of x guys. Can you say guys where x value is stored? X value is stored in 2 bytes, right? What are those 2 bytes? Can you say? Guys, what are those 2 bytes x value stored? Yeah, very good, Gokari. That is 24 and 25, right? Now tell me where y value will be stored, guys. Where y value will be stored? X value is 24 and 25. Y value, what about Y value? Yeah, very good. 22 and 23. 22 and 23, right? This is a Y value I am going to print, guys. See once how Y value we are going to print. This is a percent value. Next 2 bytes. What is the next 2 bytes? That is a P and Q value series. That next 2 bytes value will be stored. 22 and 23, right? This is 24 and 25. Okay, same like this way. I will show you the diagram. Wait a minute, guys. Yeah, like this. For example, this X value stored horizontal or vertical way, guys. For example, I explained like this. Okay, this is 22, 23, 24 and 25. First X value will be stored in these 2 bytes. This X value, these 2 bytes. This Y value, next 2 bytes. Okay, what is P stores? 24, Q stores. That is your wish, guys. Horizontal or if this is we understood like this. P stores what? 65,024. Q stores what? 65,522. Okay, it points that location. Okay, now we write this later. Wait a minute. See this. Now address in hexadecimal format I want to print, guys. How to print address? Printf, see guys, address in hexadecimal format. Address in HDF. Address in HDF. How to print address in HDF, guys? Percentile P or percentile X you can use. Percentile X, P and Q. What is P and Q? P is address, right? P is address of X. Q is address of Y. See, this is hexadecimal format. HDF means here I wrote the my text it is hexadecimal format. Clear it is. Now what is this address, guys? 65,524. This is 65,522, right? This value is how much, guys? This address, right? FFF4, FFF2. Yeah, can I write a PQ instead of percentile X, percentile P? Yes, yeah, also, guys. Percentile P also you can use. What is percentile P? Address, that is. Yeah, see this. Now comments we have to write. This is we have to write. Percentile P also you can write. Got it? That is FFF4 and FFF2. Clear? Are you following, guys? This. Now see next one, guys. Values are, what are the values, guys? I want to write a printf values. I am going to print, guys. How to print a values? Values are normal way you print. Values are percentile X and Y. It takes time అని చెప్తున్నా కదా, మొత్తం చెక్ చేసి వస్తుంది. నీకు చెక్ చేయటంలో 30,000 అంటే 10^16 ఆపరేషన్ మీన్స్ హౌ మెనీ ఆపరేషన్స్ track 1 second it perform 10^6 operation. 10,000 operations it performs. 10,000 operation. That's why you are not, it gets the value, right? That many comparisons it will do. Okay, that's why ఇక్కడ ఏం తేడా అనిపించింది లేట్ అనే కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉండదు. 1020, this is 1020. Are you following us? This xy normally we write like this, but with the help of pointer it gives a, right? For example, how to use a pointer? See this, guys. How to print the values? I'm going to print the values, guys. Values are, see this, percentile. Now can I write a 65,000 star 65,524 comma star 65,522? Can I write like this? Yes, we can write. But if I compile, it's showing error, guys. Invalid indirection. 2 errors. Why it is error, guys? I said, right, what is star operator? Star address is valid, guys. Star address is valid. Okay, star number is not valid. Star address means what? This address value, it gets the data, right? It gets the data from this address. Star number value. But if you're asking what I have written, guys, this is a star address only. This is also star address. Are you following? But why compiler is giving? Okay, this address and managas. We know this, it's address, but compiler it won't treat as it's address. It consider as it's a value. It's a number, right? It consider as number. This is also number. Address plus number, star number it considers. Clear, guys? That's why it is giving error. Invalid indirection. Okay, that's why what to do, guys? We need to typecast them. How to typecast this? Now I am going to write see int star. If I write int star, then see this. Now I am writing int star. Then if I write int star, guys, that is address, guys. Now here also into star. Now can write. Now if I write into star, that is also converted. Now see this, it prints a 1020. But it's not recommended. Why it's not recommended, guys? Because ఈ కంపైల్ చేసి అడ్రస్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఆ అడ్రస్ తో అవుట్పుట్ చూసి ఆ అడ్రస్ తో మనం రాయం కదా, ఇది రాయం, మనం యూజ్ చేయము. ఓకే, 99% we won't use because అడ్రస్ చేసుకొని ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ అడ్రస్ చేంజ్ అవ్వచ్చు, బట్ కంపైలర్ టు కంపైలర్ you can't write like this. Okay, this is not correct. Now how to print the values, guys? Print of series. What is p is address, guys? Values, how to print the values? Star percentile percentile. P is address, right? Star p. What is star p, guys? P is how much? 65,524. Star p comma star q. What is star q? 65,522. This will take a p and q. P is address of x. Star p is the value of x. Q is address of x. Star q is the value of x. That will print like this. 1020. We can print 1020 like this, guys. Values. We can print 10 and 20. Is there any other way to write? Now I will write to other way, guys. See once. Can I write one more format? See this. Printf. Different ways we can write. All I am writing for right. See this. Values are how to print a values. Percentile and percentile. Star p. Instead of star p, p is what, guys? Address of x. Can I write p equals to address of x? Yes. Star q means what? What q means, guys? Address of y. Can I write address of y? Yes. Star p star q. You understood, right? See this. What I have written. Star p means what? Address of x. What I have written. P is the address of x, right? Or p is the address of x. See this. P is the address of x. That's why I have written star p means address of x. Star address of q. Or star q means what? Address of y. That is star q means address of y I have written. See, guys, star address will be cancelled. Star address will be cancelled. What is there? X, y. Now this value gives address of x 10 and 20, guys. See this? 10 and 20. Clear? This is 10, this is 20. So like this we can print, guys. Okay, now write this program. Write the outputs also, those printf statements. Okay, write this, guys. Hexadecimal format. Gokari. By 16, if you get, I will get a hexadecimal. Star x star y error, Pawan. You can't write. Yeah, guys, you may get doubt. I ask you, right? Why it is starting from 24 and 25? Tell me, guys. I said what I said, guys. If already some data is there in this location, some data. Which data? Okay, we don't know, guys. Some other data, garbage values, it may have. It is also some garbage values. Okay, that's why it may not store in this location. Are you following, guys? It may not store. That's why it's starting from 24 and 24. I said if already data is there, it won't store. Next to 2 bytes it allocates. That's why it's not starting from 34. Clear, guys? The next one is okay now. Now, guys, write this program. not possible to clear those garbage value. We don't know which value is stored. Okay, we cannot remove. That is done by OS only. Draw the diagram also, guys, if completed. Actually, star after address is there, Pawan. It recognizes what kind of address it is. Star address. Okay. Then it decides how many bytes has to access. After star, address should be there. For example, if you write star number, then it gives a error because how many star is what? It gets the data from the address, right? It gets the data from the address. Then it decides. For example, if it's a character address, it accesses 1 byte. Okay, if it is integer address, it accesses 2 bytes data. If it is a float address, it accesses 4 bytes data. For example, if it is a number, what happens? That is error, right? Syntactical mistake. Error it gives. Star X is error. Invalid indirection will get that. Okay, complete this.